Ancient Greece, a cradle of civilization, rose to prominence around the 8th century BCE with city-states like Athens and Sparta. Athens became a hub of art, philosophy, and democracy, producing luminaries like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. The Acropolis, dominated by the Parthenon, stands as a testament to this golden age, its grand columns reaching skyward, embodying the architectural genius of the time. The Persian Wars, 490–479 BCE, united the city-states against a common foe, leading to significant victories like the Battle of Marathon and the naval triumph at Salamis. These conflicts fostered a shared Hellenic identity, ushering in the classical period, characterized by remarkable advancements in sculpture, theater, and philosophy. However, internal strife soon emerged. The Peloponnesian War, 431–404 BCE, pitted Athens against Sparta in a brutal conflict that weakened the Greek city-states. Following Athens's defeat, Macedon rose to power under Philip II and his son, Alexander the Great, whose conquests spread Greek culture across 3 continents. Despite this expansion, the rise of Rome marked the beginning of Greece's decline. Starting in the 3rd century BCE, Roman forces steadily advanced into Greek territories. Key battles, such as the Battle of Corinth in 146 BCE, led to the fall of major city-states. By the mid-2nd century BCE, Greece was fully subjugated and incorporated into the Roman Republic as a province. This conquest was not just military. Rome adopted and revered Greek culture, art, and philosophy. Greek statues adorned Roman temples, and the works of Greek philosophers influenced Roman thinkers. Despite its political decline, the legacy of ancient Greece endured, shaping the foundations of Western civilization and leaving an indelible mark through its art, literature, and thought that echoes through the ages.